a little bird told me that it might be fun to do a day in the life at Pastease. We have an area over here where we ship wholesale and distribution orders. These always have a two-part checkoff process. This little station over here is where we process all of the retail orders that you order off of Etsy, Amazon that's not Prime, or ideally Pastease.com. So anytime you order direct, Pastease.com, that helps us the most as a family and a business. I love processing all the retail orders. I just feel like it's a little window into what makes the individual feel good. Then we have all of our inventory over here. You can see it's a lot. I also like to color code. So we have like our reusables. We do a little holiday wall. And then for the most part, everything's left alphabetically. We also do in this room, in addition to shipping, all of our packaging and quality control in here. And this is a busy room during the day, lots of shipping and action, all of that. We do production in another 1,200 square foot warehouse that's connected. I'm not going to show you because proprietary processes. We have a third suite over here, and we went with this because we needed a little bit of extra space. So right now it's kind of a catch-all. Got family cruiser bikes, our son's like gaming station once school's done, all of that. We just have like some old equipment, things we need to sell, sign we need to hang up, apparel inventory, cleaning supplies, more storage. Can't live without the seasonal gnomes, right? Toolboxes, that kind of thing. This little shed over here is actually Todd's office so that he can seal up, close up, and not feel like he's, you know, on a private call or whatever, just in the middle of the office. Keep our little fishies in here, and it's where the magic happens from the love of my life. And then this is my desk for now. Cameras. Security is very important here at Pastease. I'm going to be putting up a wall tent for an office soon. I'm more into the rustic, cozy vibes, and I get really distracted really easily. I'm starting to wonder if I don't have ADHD as I'm like learning about it. So anyway, if I can also kind of close off like my husband, then the squirrel brain can focus more. Welcome to a little blip of my world, and I hope you enjoyed your tour. If you have more questions, leave a comment. We'll get back to you, and I may or may not be able to share it with you.